Howdy, folks. It's a little bit cloudy, a little bit windy. Rained like the dickens yesterday, and I decided that means I should go fishing today. Now, luckily, not too hot, but a little under 90, so not pretty good there with the wind. But humid as crap, so that's gonna suck. So with all the water that's running through and rising up because of all the rain, figured I'm gonna hit this little ditch that I did one time before, right next to the highway. See if anything's kind of swirled up in it, you know, moved up through the waters. And look at this. Last time I came through here, like I had to put it in four-wheel drive, and there's these giant dips everywhere, and you know, I got to do a little bit of a jeepy thing, but someone laid gravel everywhere. On the flip side, I didn't cut down all the brush, so that'll be interesting. So I'm gonna have to walk through all this crap, get down there, and I already see some turtles, some sunfish. We'll see how well I can walk through there. Luckily, got some bug spray, so maybe the ticks won't be too bad. But I'm gonna strap up, gear up, and get on in there, see what kind of fish I can catch. All right, let's figure out how well I can get down here. All right, that's not too bad. Tons and tons of tiny little sunfish all up through here. Usually this part's not underwater. Normally I'm standing right where all those fish just popped at. Oh, big snake too. Great. Once again, I've forgotten my polarizer, so y'all just have to deal. But this water's pretty, oh, there goes another big snake. Water's pretty dirty, so I don't think it'll matter. But got my tiny rod. Oh yeah, I meant to restring this because it's got a knot in it, but that probably won't be too bad. I'm gonna throw the bitsy minnow around. The water up, probably can swim this thing just fine. And immediately a fish is on. Oh, it's a bass. Aha! I told you. Oh, there it goes. Bye, bass. I told y'all, the water's up, fish are gonna be moving around. What else we got in here? Well, no fish. Oh, never mind, there's one. I was just about to say no fish. And now we got a green sunfish. 2 for 2. Oh, you got those kind of in there funky. All right, there we go. Hey, kind of small. I'm betting we can catch something bigger. Bass is kind of nice, you know, for this little freaking polluted ditch on the side of the highway. There we go. Another greenie. Looks like it. Yeah, another green. Alright, these guys. Pliers are definitely a must. Hooked myself with it. Come here. Come here, give me your mouth. There you go. 3 fish, 6 casts. I think normally this pool right here at the start is where all the fish are at, for the most part, but I think because the water's up so much that they can move around again. It might, oh, another bass. They might be a little more dispersed. Thank you, fish. I just unhooked that. Come on, man. This guy's a little feisty. These little fish are the ones you always got to worry about getting a hook in you. Because they've always got so much energy once you actually get them in, because they're so easy to pull in. There we go. Well, nothing like that first bass, but it's a bass. Try right up along the rocks here. Yep. Another green. Oop, careful, careful. All right, spines are in my hand, but it's keeping the fish in place. That'll hurt tomorrow. There's something. Ooh, that's pretty all right. Oh yeah. You look like a redditor. Yeah, you're a redditor. Nice size one too. Not scale size. But pretty good fish. Yep. Well, there he goes. He ain't that pounder that I'm hoping for one day. There's another one. Is that another bass? It is. Quite a few bass have moved up into this channel. I think I've only ever caught one in here before, but I mean, I've only been here twice, so got a huge tell of what all I can find. All right. Big grip here. They're extra slimy from all the pollution. I get it. Oop, now you pooped on me. All right, I've had enough of you. Definitely seems like still getting bites in the creek channel now. I got to cast up into it. So we'll just keep moving along, keep casting. Yep. This guy grabbed it right at the shore. Another green. Barely hooked him. There we go. Yeah, a little bit better than the last one. I think my hooks are tangled. Yeah, my hooks are tangled. Holy shit. This bass still grabbed it. My hook was tangled and it was just kind of spinning through the water. And this bass just came up and was like, yeah, that looks like something I should eat. That's an all right one there. Nope. Try to get a hold of him without getting the hook because they're all right in his bottom lip where I want to grab. All right, that's a fat little guy. You're having the time of your life up here, ain't you? With these little sunfish. Ow! Stabbed myself again. Fish are getting their revenge today. There we go. That's a decent little bass. All right. You know, I knew it'd be a good day. I just felt it. I wasn't wrong. Huzzah! Oh, that one let go. These fish, they're so turned on. All this new water for them to swim in. Everything's kind of churned up. More things have been pushed down. Yeah. Oh, there's a little guy. There goes the little guy. There we go. Some light bites on these bigger fish. This guy's got some gut to him. I bet. Well, you hooked yourself in the forehead. How'd you manage that? Oh well. Pliers. There we go. That was easy enough. There's a fat little feller. I saw something strike at it the second it hit the water. Tried to set the hook and there was nothing there. So we'll pitch it right back over there. Maybe it's still there. Well, that's not what I saw, but I'll take it. That could be what I saw. Yeah. Another little bass. Hold still. Stop it. You're gonna rehook your... Alright. There we go. Yeah, that's a better bass. Come down here towards him. Better than the last bass, at least. I don't think he's the best bass yet. He's up there. He's about as good as that first one we caught. We didn't really get a good look at it though. There we go. Yeah, he's pretty alright. Back he goes. Yep, got some. You are another red ear. Pretty sure. Well, yeah, you're a red ear. Got kind of a green tint on your gill there. Green sunfish tint, like how they got those blue streaks. And his red ear patch is really, really light. Get in here. He's got the red ear patch there. It's really light, but he's got orange fins down here with the white tips. But he's got the blue speckles through him, but he's got the little blue streaks here. He could be a type of hybrid. There we go. Another red, I think. Yeah, it's another red. Good size. Getting some sizable sunfish out of here. Not as sizable as I'd like, but definitely a bit of quality to them. Oh, there's another bass of reasonable size. Ooh, jumper. These little hooks, man, they're sticky. You done? Yep. That's a pretty good one. Got one hook in him. The lure's falling down into him now, but he's got one hook right there. That's all that was holding him on. That's it. That's a nice one. He might be the best so far. Definitely gave us the best show. That's for sure. Maybe y'all might think that I'm just stumbling around here, you know, just uncoordinated falling, but it's actually a secret technique to ward off snakes. Just, you know, make a lot of noise. That's all it is. It's completely intentional. Okay. Another green. I really don't care about green sunfish anymore. I've catch so many of them. It's just like, alright, it's a green sunfish. It's nothing of note. Another bass. This lure it's doing the job. It's getting her done. There's some nice creek bass, man. About this size, which is a good size for, you know, a freaking runoff ditch under the highway. I really got to start keeping my pliers in my left back pocket because I keep putting the fish in my right hand. My left hand is also stupider. So I should really use it to hold the fish. Oh, there we go. Yeah, look, all about this size, which are nice fish. Little guy. Feisty though. You're a feisty little guy. Very keen on your spikes. Come on. That hook is just really in there. There we go. winds. Definitely chasing right through there. You guys see that? Here I am with my lure caught in a plant. Oh, that one seems a little better. This may have been what was chasing that thing popping around. I thought maybe it was the chaser, but apparently it was the chase-e. I'm needing to get closer to the water. I can't just hoist this guy up very well. A little bit bigger. Ready tuckered out? Well, I may be able to just hoist him up. Yep. There we go. Came right out. Getting sticky hooks. That guy's, he's definitely better than what we've been catching. That's a nice fish. Yeah, all right. Back in. Fishing slowed down. And, you know, for an hour, that's a pretty good amount of fish caught in such a shitty little place. And we caught some decent ones too. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. But I think that'll do it for this video. About an hour till I actually need to be home for anything, so I think maybe I'll stop somewhere else, try to film something else, and hopefully I catch something, because I'm gonna look real stupid if I say I'm making a video and I don't put it out. And god damn it, look at this shit. Ugh, surprised this stayed on at least, because it can't fit through there. Apparently the pin that screws in loosened up, fell out. Awesome. Who knows where that's at? I guess I'll keep an eye out for it on my way out of here, but that's basically a lost cause. God damn it. I'll see y'all next time.